Done? So after making this I sheet, on the top of this I, you'll be mentioning about your name, your qualification, your gender, your profession, your hobbies, everything. And in the middle part, you'll be mentioning about your strengths, what you're good at, what you feel proud of yourself, all your plus points. Then comes the down part. What are your weak points? What are the areas that you're supposed to improve? What you feel about yourself, that these are my areas of improvisation. Those points you'll be mentioning here in the down part of your eye. Once done, hold your eye. Great. Yeah, few people are still going. No worries. This is completely a practical session. So kindly take your time, but finish it. Great, Malika. Wonderful. Wonderful work. Thank you. So now tell me, what is this I have come up from? When you're good, when you're bad, when you wrote about who am I, my name is this, my profession is this, have the soul took an entry into this I? No. Then what took an entry into this I? I muted everyone because a lot of disturbance is coming. Whoever want to talk, kindly unmute yourself, talk, then again mute yourself.
I started thinking, so it got an entry into my mind. Definitely not my soul.
Exactly. So can you hear say like we are some of our thoughts. We are some of our thoughts. Now I'm going to tell you all the most interesting and important aspect of human triangle. How we go through, I guess you all can see this. Yes?
Yes.
So when we are noticing, usually what happens is we will be seeing the results in our life. I failed, I succeeded. I am good, I am bad. What is making me good? What is making me bad is my behavior. What is giving me success? What is giving me failure is my behavior. Understanding the point? Now, what is influencing my behavior? Is my emotions. I'm feeling very happy, then I'm smiling at you guys and I'm interacting very well. If at all my mood is off, I'm having a sad face and I'm just answering only your questions. So what is impacting my behavior is my emotion. That's fine. Now what is impacting my emotions are my thoughts. So where do these thoughts generate from? These thoughts generate from the values and beliefs. That's very important. These thoughts generate from the values and beliefs, and these values and beliefs, where do they arise from? Is right from our childhood, the environment where we got brought up. It could be our family, it could be our schooling, friends, or wherever we got groomed up. From there, these values and beliefs are being there in our mind. And from there, the thoughts keep generating. Let me say you an example. If you all recall our childhood days, if at all someone comes to your home, if you don't want to respect them, what do? You will not just wish them. So if you don't wish them, does it mean that you are not respecting them? But you got conditioned to understand that respecting is standing up and wishing someone, offering them a glass of water, or asking them like, will you have lunch at my home, or talking to them with a smile. So these are all a bunch of things which means respect. How we got conditioned to that particular aspect? Right from the childhood, the environment where we got brought up, that tuned us like, this behavior means respect. This behavior means disrespect. In that way, our thoughts got influenced. So now results are seen for outsiders. They are visible. What is your result? It is always visible to self and others. But coming to your behavior, it is also visible to self and others. But your emotions are visible only to you. What you feel, what you're undergoing, what is influencing you, what is your mood, only you know it. Unless it affects your behavior and it is visible to outside, till that point it is only visible to yourself. Then your thoughts, they are only visible to you. Now the values and beliefs, at times even we are not aware about our own values, beliefs and ethics, unless we have a deeper introspection. So when we are moving ahead far with the Gita and initiating to learn more deeper about Gita and applying to our life, first understanding about self is more important. When you understand, your results are revolving around your behavior is revolving around your emotions, and your emotions are coming out because of your thinking pattern, and your thinking pattern is affected because of your values and beliefs, then definitely the area which we need to work it as your thinking and your values. This point, kindly make a note. But usually when a freshers, being a psychotherapist, if at all a fresher come to me with a problem, I will not work at their thinking and value and belief, but for them I'll be working on their behavior, their emotions, their behavior and their outcome. Because when I go deeper into their values, they will not be in that state of